Good afternoon, good morning, and good day to all of you Penn's Automotive family members. Today, I'm focusing on a 2026 Chevy Silverado RST with the Waldoch upfitted package. Now with this package, you're gonna get 20-inch rims on 30-inch all-season tires. Look very meaty and very mean. It takes this black appearance package and uplifts it even more. This is the white one. So we do have a white and a black. This is the dark appearance package. And with these black wheels and the same exact running boards, this looks just as mean, if not meaner. With this package, you do get control arms in the front. That's gonna give you better control, better response time, and overall just better ride quality. You also get a all metal running board, and then going into the interior a little bit, instead of this being an RST with cloth seats, this is going to have all leather seats, and all of the heated seats and heating steering wheel will work just as good. And then there is a leveling kit on this, so when you're from afar, you can see that the truck looks perfectly flat instead of that face down kind of look. And then with the Waldoch, you do get all the branding on the vehicle, so you get it on the rims, on the inside, on those leather seats like we talked about. This is a 50-year edition, so you're gonna have that instead of just the regular Waldoch, you're gonna have the 50-year mark on this vehicle. And this being a Minnesota company, we value them even more just because we want to support businesses that are local to us and have them support us as well. So big thank you to Waldoch. All of these accessories, if you will, do not void any warranty. So all that front leveling kit, the control arms, you still get bumper to bumper, 3-year, 36,000 miles. And you don't have to do any of the work yourself. Instead of outsourcing your own rims, control arms, running boards, that is all on the Waldoch package, and that is what makes them so unique and valuable to us here at Penn's.